P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sick. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is that?
And that's it.
When I've done the tart and Billy Cup, the two sisters, in the Lake District, a couple of weeks ago, and then it started raining, and the rain was blowing right in. You've probably seen that video. Tonight's workout's spot on. The rain, oh, the spokes there. It says, oh, yeah, look at that. The old bug like that. Door's gone out. The rain's going down that way, guys. There's nothing we can say there. Look. Oh, I put some comfort there.
What you gonna do? What you gonna fucking do? I don't know, he says. You fucking scumbag. Yeah, video me. Yeah, set video me here. Yeah. Alright, step up and make me see your fucking strong. What you gonna do? What you gonna fucking do?
Right, it's good coffee for me.
Right. Over your side, I can see it. It's not gonna be Billy Boy, do you? It's not gonna be Billy Boy. Oh yeah, good boys. Good boy.
Germany, it's fair to say, have enjoyed themselves at the World Cup so far. After two group stage exits,
Right, second tea break over. And you've got the rest of the Carlsberg filtered into the old fridge. This is Sharp's Doom Bar, a more subdued version of London Pride and Old Speckled Hen. It's no, it's about 4%.
gets him in.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.